What's inside? The secret ingredients supporting prostate health. The natural compounds in African pygeum extracts help promote better prostate health by reducing inflammation in the gland. This allows for improved urinary function and can help reduce the discomfort commonly associated with prostate enlargement.
Vitamin B6 is essential for maintaining a healthy prostate, as it regulates hormone levels and supports proper urinary function. By reducing the risk of prostate swelling, vitamin B6 contributes to better overall prostate health. Zinc is a mineral that plays a key role in promoting prostate health by regulating testosterone levels. It also supports immune system function, helping to reduce inflammation and improve overall urinary flow in men dealing with prostate issues.
Maytake mushrooms help boost the immune system, supporting overall prostate health. By reducing inflammation and promoting hormonal balance, they contribute to better urinary flow and a reduced risk of prostate-related issues.
The anti-inflammatory properties of African pygeum make it a vital component in supporting prostate health. By helping to manage swelling and discomfort, it also contributes to healthier urinary function, benefiting those with age-related prostate issues.
As a powerful antioxidant, vitamin E helps protect prostate cells from oxidative stress. It plays a crucial role in supporting long-term prostate health by ensuring that cells remain healthy and function optimally, reducing the risk of complications. We leave you the link in the description for more information. Subscribe to see the best-selling products in the world. Give it a like.